If I ruled the earth, I'd sail ships overseas till sundown, then I'd return in dark to walk these streets alone. By day, I hear the serpents calling me. This leads me from the shore in search of the deepest abyss. I am forever covering my tracks of less than existence. Though I hold the key to everything, this sinking feeling never dies. I'll chase my sunset laced with pride in this starless galleon. This sinking feeling never dies. I'll chase my sunset laced with pride in this starless galleon. Although I'd rather fill my lungs and rapidly descend and lay down with my thoughts under bleak starlight. I'll keep pushing on through perpetual darkness. Then I'll seek my confidence. Then I'd return to walk these streets alone. The twilight here don't embrace my words like the waves do. Feel of drought and it's making me sick. So I stand here coughing up sharks till my neon glowing neck breaks. This sinking feeling never dies. I'll chase my sunset laced with pride in this starless galleon. This sinking feeling never dies. I'll chase my sunset laced with pride in this starless galleon. Walking through the dark, here's to a new beginning. Time to bow your heads to a nation swinging axe.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast. It jumped up a notch. It did, didn't it? Yeah, I stabbed a man in the heart. I saw that. Rick, I've been meaning to talk to you about that. You should find yourself a safe house or a relative close by. Lay low for a while, because you're probably wanted for murder.
I'm happy watching you dance your legs down to your knees. Dance your legs down to your knees. I'm happy watching you be infatuated with love. I'm happy watching you fly.